hope you are all in excited state to give presentations, aren't you? Okay. Then before starting our topic, let me introduce myself. I am Anusha Gandhi Karra, teacher trainee, Government Diet, Karimnagar. Before starting our topic, let me pose some questions. Do you know where does our Prime Minister addresses our nation on Independence Day? Yes, it's from Red Fort. Do you know who built our Red Fort? Shah Jahan. He belonged to Mughals. Yes. Today our topic is Mughal emperors. What is that? Mughal emperors. Mughal Empire. Who ruled before Mughal Empire? Do you know? Yes, Sultans ruled our subcontinent before Mughals. Okay? Then, who are Mughals and where did they come from? Let us see who are Mughals and where do they come from. Before going to this topic, let us have a peripheral talk on Mughals. Is it clear? Mughals. They ruled our country from 1500 AD to 1700 AD. Okay? They ruled our country, our subcontinent from 1500 AD to 1700 AD. Okay? They succeeded in uniting our diversal India. Before two Mughals, so many sultans, cholas came to rule, but they failed to unite our subcontinent because of the diversity of the India. After Mauryans, they succeeded in uniting our subcontinent. Okay? This successfully united our subcontinent under their rule. And this is the second largest empire after Mauryan. After Mauryan Empire. This is the second largest empire. After Mauryans. Okay? What? Mughals ruled our country from 1500 AD to 1700 AD. They succeeded in uniting the subcontinent. This is the second largest empire after Mauryans. Okay? Mauryans empire was the first largest empire. Are you all following me?
Yes.
The first emperor of Mughals was Babur. Who was he? Babur. They came from Central Asia. Where they are from? Yes, they were from Central Asia. Let us see how they came to how did they come to our country. First, Babur. Let us know Babur. About Babur. Babur. He was a king in Uzbekistan and Mongolia in Central Asia. He has a small principality. Over there, he was ruling a small kingdom named Fargana. What is this? Fargana. He was ruling Fargana, on that time he had a dream that to capture the capital of Timur. Okay, this Fargana belonged to Timur dynasty, but he wanted to capture the capital of the Timur. This is also belonged to Timur dynasty, but he had a dream to capture Samarkand capital. Okay, Timur's capital, what? Samarkand. What is the capital of Timur on those days? Samarkand. Okay, then he fought against another kings, and in this battle, instead of getting Samarkand, he lost his own kingdom, that was Fargana, and he forced to came out from the country, and he escaped from the country. Okay, he escaped from the country and reached the Hindu Kush mountains. He was hidden there. What? Where he was hidden? Hindu Kush mountains. Okay, first he was the king of Fargana. It belonged to Timur dynasty, and he wanted to capture capital of Timur, Samarkand. He fought a battle with his opponents, and he lost his own kingdom. Then he was escaped to Hindu Kush mountains. Let us see what happened later. After he came to Hindu Kush mountains with the help of tribes, he captured Kabul, which was the capital of Afghanistan. Okay, he captured Kabul. It is the capital of Afghanistan. It is the capital of Afghanistan. Okay, he captured Kabul in 1504 AD. Is it clear? Yes. He captured Kabul in 1504 AD. He was not satisfied with capturing the Kabul. Then he wanted to do more. Then he was fond of India. Why? Because India is the land of riches and treasury, isn't it? Yes. On those days, India was the land of riches and treasury. So he was very fond of capturing the India. Then with the help, on those days, on his time, the sultans was ruling before Babur. Then with the sultan's king Ibrahim Lodi was ruling. Who is he? Yes, Ibrahim Lodi was ruling on that time. Then with the help of minister of Ibrahim Lodi. Who is he? Minister of Ibrahim Lodi, Daulat Singh. Daulat Singh. Who is Daulat Singh? Yes. Daulat Singh was the minister of Ibrahim Lodi Sultan. Ibrahim Lodi, he was the Sultan ruling Delhi on that time. Which time? In 1504. Okay. Then with the help of Daulat Singh, he captured India. He captured Delhi. Okay. He captured Delhi. Not only Delhi, the some parts under the Ibrahim Lodi. Okay, some parts of north. Are you all following? Yes. He captured Kabul in 1504 with the help of Daulat Singh, the minister of Ibrahim Lodi. He captured Delhi Sultan's throne. Okay, do you know the meaning of throne? Chair. Okay, he captured Delhi and some parts of the North India in 1526 AD. This is how the Mughals entered our subcontinent. Okay, then after this task was not completed, then he had to fight with Rajputs. They were becoming strong in those days with the help of Sangram Singh, under the control of Sangram Singh. Okay, after he came to our subcontinent, he entered our subcontinent, but he had to fight with whom? Rajputs. They were becoming stronger day by day with the help of Sangram Singh. With the help of Sangram Singh. Okay, then he fought a battle named Kauhan. What's the battle name? Kauhan. In 1527 AD. He came to our subcontinent in 1526. He fought a battle of Kauhan in 1527 with whom? Rajputs. Okay. Then he won the war. Next, he had taken another war, that is Gagra War. Gagra War. This was between Afghans who captured the eastern parts of the India. Are you all following me? Afghans captured eastern part of the India. Then he fought a battle against Afghans. With whom he fought a battle? Afghans. They captured eastern part of the India. Okay. Then in 1529 AD, the name of the war was Gagra War because it was fought on the river bank of the Gagra river. Okay, on the bank of the Gagra river. First, he came to India after he fought a war with Rajputs in 1527. The war was named as Kauhan War. Then after, he took a war with Afghans who came to India and captured eastern parts of the India. Then after, the war was named as Gagra War because it was taken on the bank of the Gagra river. Is it clear up to now? Okay. What we have seen? First, the peripheral talk, introduction of Mughals. They ruled our country from 1500 to 1700 AD. The Mughals empire was the second largest country. Okay, and how they came to India and where they are from? They were from Central Asia. Okay, then he took the was taken by whom? Babur. Is it clear up to now? Before, let me pose some questions. Okay. Who was the first emperor of Mughal Empire? Babur. Okay. Thank you. Next, in which year he came to India? Okay. The king who defeated by Babur was Ibrahim Lodi. Yes. Next, after coming to India, he fought a battle with Rajputs in order to strengthen his rule. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll see.